Hello there, welcome back to DaveTech. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the drama player to your Android TV box or Google TV using the Unlinked method. This method will work with any device running an Android operating system. So first, you need to get that app. If you do not have the app, check the link in the description below. I have a tutorial showing you exactly how to download this application. When you have it, click OK to get into it. And after it loads, click OK for the new library. While you're here, prompt the library you want to choose and download apps from. So, or using everything, type in everything exactly how you see it here. There's no space, just everything, and hit enter. When you're in, click on enter button again and scroll down to the application of choice. Go to 11 media players and you'll find the drama player right here. Click OK to begin the download, and when the download starts, be patient. It's going to take you from a few seconds to a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. Now, when the application is downloaded, you'll be prompted to install automatically. The process is straightforward and simple. Just hit the install button and you have your app ready in your app library. If you found value in this tutorial, drop that thumb up, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.